he was singing to one of his favorite songs. Little Steven didn't even know that the words were wrong. He didn't know that there could be another language. Whenever ever it came on, he began to sing out loud. Someday monkeys won't play piano songs. Someday monkeys won't play piano songs. Play piano songs. Little Steven, he was happy. He learned them all by himself. Little Steven was so excited, he showed them to his friend Ralph. Sometimes they'd sing it all night long until their mothers came and asked what all the noise was about. They'd break into their refrain. Someday monkeys won't play piano songs. Someday monkeys won't play piano songs. Play piano songs. Someday monkeys won't play piano songs. Someday monkeys won't play piano songs. Play piano songs. Now little Steven couldn't understand why his mother laughed. She said, "Silly Steven, half is English and French is the other half." Although he felt a bit foolish, Steven was still quite proud.